Hello.
Huh?
Hi, can you hear me?
I can. Can you hear
Okay.
me?
Yes.
Perfect.
Okay.
How are
So,
you?
fine. What about you?
I'm very good, thank you. Is it
Thanks so
Prakash?
much. Sorry?
Prakash? Did I say your name correctly?
Yes, Prakash. My name is Prakash.
I'm Kelly. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, ma'am.
So you're wanting the lesson General Business English?
No, just I want to practice my English.
Perfect.
Okay, because you are native speaker. You have been speaking English since your birth.
Yes, definitely.
And in India, English is our second language.
I love India, I have to tell you.
Really?
I would love to come someday.
Oh,
I love Indian people.
have you ever visited India?
No,
No. Then would
but
you
I
like
had.
to visit?
Oh yes, I had an Indian roommate, and
Yes.
so I love Indian people, and I love Indian food and culture.
You love Indian food also?
Oh my goodness, yes.
Oh, wow. Then what do
Tikka masala.
you think about Indian people?
I think Indian people have a happiness in their hearts that
Thanks.
and beautiful smiles.
Oh,
just very welcoming people.
yes. And we respect our guests, and we help our guests also. We offer so many things.
Of course, yes. And you respect life.
Yes, we respect life. And our country is full of festivals. No.
Yes.
Yes, we
Holiday.
like to celebrate different festivals.
I celebrate Holi every year.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Wow.
I go to a Holi festival.
I'm surprised. Really, you celebrate Holi there?
Yes. There's
Right.
maybe 4 Holi festivals in St. Louis.
Yeah.
Yes, this is common here.
Oh. Okay. Then what festivals do you celebrate in USA?
So beer, a lot of beer festival.
Beer festival. Okay.
Yes. Or barbecue festival.
Thank you.
Music.
Oh.
But we have no culture.
Oh, but in India, we have a great and rich culture. Really.
You do, and I'm jealous of this.
Then you should come to India to celebrate different festivals.
Absolutely, I will.
We have just celebrated 2 festivals on the 15th August. Raksha Bandhan. Have you heard about the Raksha Bandhan?
No.
Okay, this is a festival of brothers and sisters. Sisters come to brothers' house to tie the rakhi, this type of holy thread. Yes.
Yeah, I know those.
Yes.
So
relationship.
yes. So, but between brothers and sisters.
Yes, brother and sister. She comes with the sweets, and yes, then we give her some monies, and we promise her to protect her.
Oh, this is so good. See, I love this.
I will help you. I promise. We promise to our sisters. I will help you in any situations because I am your brother and you are my sister.
I love this.
And just after 3 days, we have a Janmashtami. Our Lord Krishna. Have you heard about the Lord Krishna?
Of course.
Birth date. Birth date is coming. Birthday is coming.
Okay.
Yes,
so how do you celebrate this?
Yes, we are going to celebrate that festival.
I have to look up and see if I can find one close to me.
Temple.
Yeah, we do have a temple.
Yes.
We have a beautiful Hindu
That is
temple.
called the Janmashtami festival. This is called the Janmashtami festival of a birthday of the Lord Krishna.
Okay. I will go to their website and I will look up.
Okay. Sorry. In which city do you live now?
So I live in St. Louis, Missouri. I'm in the middle of the United States.
Middle of the United States. Okay.
Yes.
What's the name of your state?
Missouri.
Missouri.
Missouri. Yeah, Missouri is my state.
Okay, Miss Kelly, I am a teacher in India.
Okay. Very cool.
I teach English and Sanskrit in our country, and I'm a school teacher. I teach the high school students.
Okay, I kind of maybe thought because I saw your picture.
Really, in my background,
Yeah.
I can see something. I have lots of books here. I like to read books, and I like to talk with the foreign people, especially the teachers.
Your English is amazing.
Really, thanks.
Yes, I have no problem understanding you, and your pronunciation is very good, and you speak very clearly.
Oh, thanks. Because I'm a teacher here, and that's why I'm talking with you. I want to get the practice. I want to practice with the foreign people so I can teach my students easily. I can get the confidence.
Absolutely.
I will show our videos to our students. Look, my conversation with the Callie. I talked about the festivals and I asked some questions about her and like that.
I think that's great. You can show my video to everybody.
Yes. Can I ask you some questions about your teaching and...
Sure, go ahead.
Okay. So how long have you been teaching and which subject do you teach there?
So I was a teacher 20 years ago.
20 years ago? Wow.
Yes, I'm 42 years old.
Oh, you are looking very young. I think you are looking 30, 25.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm also 38 only.
You look very young as well.
Okay. So
I was a teacher in Germany.
Germany?
Where I was a nanny.
Oh.
So I took care of children and I helped teach them English. And I also helped teach the mother and the father in the family English.
Oh.
So I lived with them.
You moved to Germany?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
To teach only?
Yes. Well, to help take care of the children and to help teach English.
Okay. How long did you stay in Germany to teach?
2 years.
2 years. Then you came back to USA again?
Yes, I got homesick.
So are you working in a school or in the private institutions?
I take some private students online and then I do Cambly. But then I also have another job as a notary public. I will type because this is not a common job.
Okay.
This is a job where I certify documents for legal.
Notary public.
Yes, perfect. A notary public.
Notary public.
So this is my other job.
Oh, so you are very busy woman.
Sometimes.
Okay.
I work at home so I can make my own schedule.
Oh, so do you teach because you like teaching or you teach to earn money only?
I love teaching.
Oh, me too, really. I never think about money, just I like learning new things and to teach the students. And when they learn and they perform, I enjoy. That is my enjoyment.
Exactly. I learn as much from my students as I teach them.
Okay. Which subject do you teach there?
Just English.
English.
So only English for a second language.
For second language means you teach the foreign people, I think.
Yes,
Not
only. Right, I don't teach native English speakers.
migratory students.
Exactly.
Okay. So do you teach grammar or conversation, vocabulary? What do you teach them to be fluent, to make them
Sure.
fluent?
It depends on their skill level. So if they're an intermediate or lower level speaker, then we start out with grammar, doing tenses, prepositional phrases, and then we would move on to bigger vocabulary words and more conversational speaking.
More conversational. Okay. So I also believe that grammar is less important in the conversation, especially to learn any language. Grammar is less important. What do you think about that?
I think this is very true. I think many people are afraid to speak because they will make a mistake. But
Yes.
this is not a problem for native speakers. We can figure out what you're trying to say. You just need to say it.
Yes. So just the more you speak, the more they listen. So listening is perfect thing to be fluent to learn any language.
Exactly.
Grammar
Everybody
is not
makes
important.
everybody makes grammar mistakes, even native speakers.
I also take some online courses. My students are in USA. They are from India.
Okay.
Yes, they are working women, so they don't go to any colleges, any schools. So they want to learn English. So I teach them online. I use WhatsApp to teach them. WhatsApp video calling.
That's
Really.
amazing.
So what do you think? Can I teach or not? Is my English enough to teach or not?
Without a doubt, yes.
Yes. Thanks.
Yeah,
So that's
you should be very proud of your English.
Yes. And actually, I like speaking. English is a link language. I can communicate with any people in the world. I know English, that's why I can speak with you without any hesitation. I can share my ideas, feelings, and everything.
Absolutely. Yeah, you are a wonderful English speaker, and I would think you were living in the United States for maybe 20 years.
Thanks.
Every day I see people who have worse English than you living here.
Actually, yes, I wanted to ask this question. That question was in my mind. I think this is the problem with the Cambly teachers.
Yeah.
Yes, because I have watched some videos online about the Camblys. Some people have very bad English, but you have to talk with them.
Absolutely. It's the only way to learn.
Yes. So how do you find teaching in Cambly?
I like it. I am newer to Cambly, so I was on another platform before this, and I like Cambly better.
Cambly. So
Yeah,
do you enjoy teaching in Cambly?
yes, I do. And most of the time, it's just conversation, not a lot of teaching.
Okay, conversation I like, yes. Okay, one more questions. Can I ask you one more question?
Ask me anything.
Okay. Okay. America is a very vast country. Washington to Washington DC.
Yes.
Yes or no?
What?
So, was from Washington to Washington DC. Washington to Washington DC. Yes or no?
Washington State.
Yes.
Yeah, Washington State.
Yes, Washington States. So,
This is.
do you have any different accents? You all speak English there, but you have different accents. You can find out he's from Chicago or she's from Wisconsin,
Yeah.
like that.
So Boston people say, I packed my car in Harvard Yard. And I would say this like, I parked my car in Harvard Yard.
So easily in our state also. I live in Gujarat. Do you know about the Gujarat?
No.
Okay. In your USA, most of the motels honored by Gujarati people, Patel.